Alright, I'm going to show you how to make a fire here. A couple different methods. It's really windy today, and it's been raining in New England all week, so things are a little wet here. This is going to be the easiest way. This is a Ferro Rod. This is going to go up pretty quick. So, just a kindling bundle. Again, it's a little damp, but there you go, you have fire. Pretty much the easiest way to make fire. Again, just like really big. In any case, the wind here is ridiculous today. The next thing I'm going to do is show you how to use a fire piston and get things going, and I'm going to set that up, and we'll do that one in a minute. So, alright, so this is a fire piston. It uses compressed air. It's kind of an ancient thing. This one was gotten at Kelly Fire Piston. He did a fantastic job for me. It was a custom job. This is Auburn burr. It's the wood. Nice little set here. But I thank him for that. And it is super windy, as you saw, so I'm going to use some char paper and hope that this will go up, and then too, hopefully it won't start getting out of control like that last one did with the Ferro Rod. The Ferro Rod works very, very well. The sparks that come out of that are great. This is going to have a little cherry that comes out of here, and man, this wind is crazy. Let's there's the char paper. Let's give this a shot. There you go. There you have it. Fire with a fire piston. And in high wind. Jeez, that was brutal. Again, thank you, Kelly Fire Piston, for putting this together. It's an absolute gorgeous set. It's wet, it's windy, and you can do it. So that's my fire building demonstration for you today, and I hope to show you a bunch more techniques on this Kickstarter project, and how you can start fires with a bunch of different ways. Again, I appreciate any of your donations here on Kickstarter, and please sign up if you'd like to go. Thank you very much for your time.